Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this wound closure kit. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it, answer all the common questions. This is a all-in-one solution. So let's take a look what is inside here. So you'll see you have a ton of different stuff here. What I like about all these companies' products is it has instructions for use. So you could either kind of like put this on a keychain or something like that. We also have the back side of this. As well. So really like that. You'll see here we got some gauze rolls. We got gloves over here. We have wound closure strips. We have a lot of different stuff over here. It comes in all different sizes as well, which is really nice. We got some bigger ones here. Of course, we got a pair of scissors. Really high quality on these scissors here as well. Looks like one side is a little kind of sawish right over there. So a nice pair of medical scissors. And of course, we got these towelettes as well. And of course, some tape. Really, really nice. Don't catch yourself off guard. If you're looking for a great wound closure kit, definitely check this out. Super easy to take this with you on the go too. If you're traveling, camping, going on vacation, or doing whatever, or it's just great to have in the house as well. Definitely check this out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.